Time to take this bike apart and fix the cracked frame. Look, we even found another crack. Gotta label everything and drain everything, take everything off. Looks like this motor mount had a little bit too much pressure on it. We took this entire bike apart in an hour and a half. It was pretty fast. Got this oil bag out and made a mess of Cody's shop.
Oh, you're dripping oil. Clean your mess.
Sponsored by Russ Brown. Needed some muscle, so Cody came and pulled my motor out like it's no big deal. Cody's around to help me, but he mostly makes me do everything. Bike's apart, time to fix this frame.